Hey there, and welcome back to AI Academy Hub. In the ever expanding universe of artificial intelligence, OpenAI isn't just part of the map, it's drawing the constellations. Today, we're unlocking the vault on OpenAI's most powerful creations. But we're not stopping at what they do, we're diving into who they're really for. From night owl coders to creative dreamers, spreadsheet warriors to podcast editors, there's a model waiting to amplify your genius. Ready to meet the crew? Section 1, GPTs, the Language Legends. GPT 3.5, the Everyday Prodigy. You'll find this one under the hood of free ChatGPT, and it still runs like a well-oiled machine. GPT 3.5 is trained to respond fast, think clearly, and hold short-term memory pretty well. It's your dependable co-pilot for content writing, explanations, summaries, and simple logic. Best for students cramming for exams and summarizing long PDFs, marketers and bloggers drafting emails, hooks, or ads, casual users who want a smart, no-frills assistant that talks like a human. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't get snarky, and while it's not the deepest thinker, it's definitely one of the fastest. GPT-4, the precision specialist. Now we're leveling up. GPT-4 is more accurate, more creative, and far more reliable than its predecessors. It understands nuance. It tracks longer conversations. And it reasons like actually reasons. If GPT 3.5 is your clever assistant, GPT 4 is your research analyst, editor, and strategist rolled into one. Best for coders debugging, generating full-stack applications, or reviewing code. Legal and academic professionals who need clarity with citations. Translators, storytellers, and anyone chasing depth over speed. GPT-4 is the calm in the chaos, the model you turn to when getting it right matters more than getting it fast. GPT-4o, the multimodal superintelligence. Say hello to OpenAI's newest frontier, GPT-4o. The O stands for Omni because this model doesn't just process text, it feels your voice, sees your images, and replies with speed that feels almost human. It's not just another upgrade. It's a leap. GPT-4o can understand tone, visual inputs, and even process speech in real time. It's the model that blurs the line between chatbot and digital companion. Best for creators building voice-activated tools or multimodal assistants. Designers looking to combine image prompts with dialogue. Startups that need fast, fluid, and full-spectrum AI at scale. It's the brain, eyes, and ears of modern AI, streamlined, versatile, and scary fast. Section 2, Art, Audio, and Senses, the Creative Collective. DALL-E 3, the Visual Architect. If your imagination paints wild visions but your hands can't draw a straight line, DALL-E 3 is your cheat code. With text-to-image generation that feels like magic, it lets you create posters, branding art, fantasy characters, or entire dreamscapes, all with a sentence. And within painting now available directly in ChatGPT Pro, you can tweak your images like a digital sculptor. Best for designers, illustrators, marketers, and educators. Content creators needing fast, on-brand visuals. Anyone who's ever said, "I wish I could show you what I'm picturing." DALL-E 3 doesn't just visualize, it understands composition, context, and aesthetic. You were right. It paints. Whisper, the AI ears that understand you. Whisper isn't flashy, but it's absolutely vital. It's OpenAI's automatic speech recognition system, trained on multiple languages, accents, and real-world noise. It's whisper quiet in the background, but sharp as a hawk when it comes to transcribing, translating, or parsing audio. Best for podcasters, interviewers, and voice note junkies. Accessibility teams making content usable for everyone. Language learners and YouTubers creating subtitles and captions. If you've ever recorded a voice note and gone, "Wait, what did I just say?" Whisper's got your back. Section 3. The Mini Marvels built for speed and scale. O4 Mini and O4 Mini High, the localized dynamos. OpenAI's new small but mighty duo are designed for open deployment, fast inference, and edge device integration. O4 Mini is lean and speedy, great for basic chat tasks, embedded bots, or apps with tight memory constraints. O4 Mini High cranks up the horsepower, offering more accurate completions and broader context while still staying nimble. Best for developers building custom AI tools on mobile or desktop. Product teams needing affordable on-device intelligence. Tech-forward startups avoiding cloud costs or privacy concerns. These aren't stripped-down copies, they're purpose-built brains for focused tasks, built to be run anywhere. So, what does OpenAI's current lineup look like? GPT 3.5, reliable, versatile, and snappy. GPT-4, accurate, logical, and depth-focused. GPT-4o, multimodal, expressive, and fast as hell. DALL-E 3, artistic and responsive to your wildest visual prompts. Whisper, the silent powerhouse for speech and language. O4 Mini and O4 Mini High, fast, flexible, and light enough to run locally. Each model isn't just a tool, it's a persona crafted for a different kind of creator, maker, or thinker. So, what would you build if you had these powers at your fingertips? Let us know in the comments. Drop your favorite model and tell us how you'd use it. And don't forget to subscribe because this is just the beginning. Welcome to the age of minds you don't have to grow. You can download them.